Hello everyone, today I will show you how to delete checkboxes from a fillable PDF from using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. It's my fillable PDF from and I'll remove these checkboxes. Now select From option this menu bar and here you will find the Select Field option. Click on the Select Field and drag your mouse cursor. You can select multiple one or you can click a specific one. Now press Delete key from your keyboard or press your mouse cursor right button and select here edit and this is delete option and see this, and you can add new checkbox if you want this way and see this, and similar way you can delete, select and delete and select and press delete. In this way you can delete all of your checkboxes for your fillable PDF form, and also you can add new checkboxes. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as your fillable PDF form. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.